Okay, so guess what finally arrived? My Gleamin Vitamin C Clay Mask. Closer look. I finally broke down and I purchased this baby. And I can't wait to give my review on the pros and cons. I don't think there's gonna be any cons, but I have acne prone skin, so there's always a few cons with my skincare products. So I just can't wait to come back on and let you guys know what I think about it and how does it work for acne prone skin. And I used turmeric in a few of my products that I'm currently using, so it really made me want to go ahead and purchase this because it has turmeric, and I read that turmeric is good for acne, and so I'm just ready to give it a try, and I can't wait. And I pray that I have great results and that I want to buy more and more. But I will keep you guys posted. And this is probably like my first product review. Not really a review, but introducing a product on YouTube for the first time. So I will make sure that I come back and let you know what I think about it. And I didn't open it. I guess I can open it. I really love that it comes with an applicator, like this brush. I think it's a brush. Let me open it real fast and see. It is a brush to apply the mask, and which is great because I think it's gonna help me. It's gonna help the mask last a little bit longer if I apply it with the brush versus my hands, with normally used to using my hands. And so here is the clay mask. It came in this little box, and it came with a brush. This brush, and I guess you just brush it on. And here's what it looks like. I like the bright yellow container, and it says it instantly, and it has turmeric and aloe vera, and it says it instantly enhances skin for a luminous bare face glow. And I'm always here for a glow. Stain free and formulated to work with all skin types, so that includes my acne prone skin. And if you have acne prone skin, it includes you as well. And it says after cleansing, apply the mask evenly to your face using your brush. Wait 10 minutes for the mask to dry completely, and then rinse gently with warm water and pat dry with a soft, clean towel. So I am excited. I'm going to go ahead and open it. I got to peel off the little tab. Let's see if I can get it off fast enough. Up. There it goes. It's like it looks like, okay, I'm going to tell you what it looks like. And it looks like mustard. It looks like spicy mustard. It has a smell, but it doesn't really have a smell. It's not a bad smell. I've smelled worse with masks, but this is the color. Like I said, it kind of looks like mustard, like a spicy mustard or Dijon mustard. But that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna get this off the top first, and then I'm gonna see how this bad boy works over time, over the course of maybe like 2 weeks. I'll probably see some results, and then I will come back and let you know what I think. So, toodles.